Are you tired of struggling with dull scissors that just won't cut through tougher materials? Here are the 5 best cordless electric scissors I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Works Zip Snip. The Works Zip Snip cordless electric scissors really caught my attention with its sleek black and orange design and solid price of $36.73. If you want a tool that cuts through tougher materials without straining your hands, this is worth a serious look. These scissors are powered by a 4V lithium battery, which means you can cut through cardboard, plastic, fabric, and even leather with ease. The blade can handle up to a 1/4 inch thick materials, so that's perfect for all your DIY projects. With over 7,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear that many people are finding value in this tool. The automatic sharpening system is a game changer, ensuring you always have a clean cut without needing to stop and sharpen the blade. Plus, it only weighs a pound, which means you can work for longer without feeling fatigued. Now, some people complained about the battery life not being long enough for bigger projects. Here's the thing though, for most home tasks, the battery will last long enough and it charges quickly. If you're planning on doing extensive work, just keep it plugged in for a while. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone who hates using manual scissors. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty industrial use. For its price, it offers great value and performance for home tasks. Now, if the Works Zip Snip's battery life concern bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Nohidu Cordless Electric Scissors. The Nohidu cordless electric scissors priced at just $26.09. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, this is definitely worth a look. With a powerful 3,000 mAh battery, these scissors offer an impressive hour of continuous cutting time, which is quite handy for larger projects. The 320 RPM speed means you can slice through materials like fabric, cardboard, and plastic with ease. It even has an LED light for visibility in dim settings, which is a thoughtful touch. The quick blade swap feature is also a plus, making it easier to keep your scissors in top condition. And with over 4,000 units sold last month, it's gaining traction among DIYers. However, some users reported that the blade can wear down faster than expected. But here's the thing, if you're using it for light to medium tasks, it should hold up just fine, and the included spare blade ensures you won't be left hanging. This is perfect for you if you do a lot of crafting or home projects. Skip this one if you plan on cutting through really tough materials regularly. For the price, it's a solid choice that balances performance and cost well. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3. Zeit Cordless Electric Scissors. The Zeit Cordless Electric Scissors offer a great blend of power and safety features. If you want something that's designed for a wide variety of materials, this could be your best bet. The built-in 4V battery provides a maximum cutting depth of 1/4 inch, which is great for all sorts of projects from cardboard to flower stems. It operates at a speed of 260 RPM, making it efficient for quick cuts. One feature that genuinely surprised me was its self-sharpening blade, which means you won't have to worry about dull edges during your projects. Plus, the special handle design protects your hands from scuffs, which is a nice touch for safety. Now, users have mentioned that it can feel a bit heavier than some other models, but honestly, the added weight contributes to a more stable cutting experience. If you're just cutting lightweight materials, you might want to consider a lighter model. This is perfect for you if you work with a variety of materials and need a reliable cutter. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-light for quick tasks. For the quality, it's a good investment. Next, if you're looking for something with even more cutting power, the next product might just be the one for you. Product number 4. The Soleilware Cordless Electric Scissors, which is priced at $33.99. If you want a tool that combines power and ease of use, you might want to check this one out. This model features a powerful motor that reaches up to 320 RPM, which means you can cut through tough materials like cardboard and plastic smoothly. It also has a self-sharpening blade, so you won't be stuck with a dull blade halfway through your project. The built-in LED light is especially handy in low light conditions, ensuring you can see what you're cutting. Plus, it operates at a low noise level, making it great for use in quieter environments. However, some users reported that the safety lock can be tricky to engage at times. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it really enhances safety during use, and it's worth a little adjustment. This is perfect for you if you value both power and convenience in your cutting tools. Skip this one if you need a scissors for super lightweight tasks. Given its performance, it's a great deal. Finally, if you're after something with even longer battery life, the next product might just impress you. Product number 5, Kellen Cordless Electric Scissors. We have the Kellen Cordless Electric Scissors priced at $30.99. If you need something that offers long-lasting power, this one is worth considering. With a 3000 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 180 minutes of cordless cutting. That's fantastic for extended projects without the need to stop and recharge frequently. It comes with 4 ultra-sharp SK5 blades, ensuring you won't run out of cutting power anytime soon. At 300 RPM, it slices through materials with ease, making your work more efficient. The safety lock and LED light further enhance its usability, allowing you to cut safely in various lighting conditions. Some reviews mention the weight of the scissors, which could be a downside for prolonged use, but honestly, the stability it provides during cuts makes it worth the slight heft. This is perfect for you if you're tackling larger DIY projects. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for quick tasks. For its features and performance, it's a great value. Now, let's wrap this up. To quickly recap, we covered the Works Zip Snip, No Heat 2, ZIET, Soleilware, and Kellen Cordless Electric Scissors. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Kellen because of its exceptional battery life and value for longer projects. The one to avoid would be the No Heat 2 if you plan on cutting tougher materials, since some users reported blade wear. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.